The ERi-TV news broadcast crew and I, Dalit Ahaya, are now ready for your daily news briefing at 10:30 local time. But first, let us catch up with the major headlines. International Day of Zero Tolerance of FGM observed. Efforts to ensure nutritious food in Ansaba region. Pakistan election, 2 blasts killed 27 in Balochistan day before the election. Major companies worldwide cut military ties with Israel after ICJ ruling Gaza, Pakistan in genocide. On our local news. The International Day of Zero Tolerance for Female Genital Mutilation was commemorated at the national level in Halib Mental Administrative Area Elaborate Subzone on 6th February. Mr. Maharana Thalab, the managing director in the subzone, emphasized that female genital mutilation not only involves the physical alteration of female's body but also constitutes a violation of basic female rights prohibited by the proclamation of the government of Eritrea number 158/2007. Mr. Maharana also stated that the elaborate subzone is nearing the proclamation of freedom from the practice of the female genital mutilation. Colonel Fusahat Ingermai, Director of the General of the Social Service in the Ansaba region, highlighted the health risk associated with FGM and noted that 4 subzones in the Ansaba region have declared themselves free of the practice, while others are actively working to achieve the same status. Mr. Atisfa Mikael, President of the National Union of Eritrean Women, called for the concrete effort to eliminate harmful practices and secure the future of Eritrean women. Mr. Abdullahi Yusuf, UNICEF representative in Eritrea, acknowledged the encouraging progress made in Eritrea towards ending FGM and expressed readiness to support the effort of the Eritrean government to eliminate female genital mutilation and underage marriage. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the Ansaba region, urged the Eritrean women to take a leading role in the campaign against the harmful practices. The event featured cultural and artistic programs to make the occasion. Reports indicate that the International Day of Zero Tolerance of FGM also observed in the southern and central region. The Seeds Development Office in the Ansaba region has reported its commitment to ensure access to nutritious food by enhancing the production of vegetable and fruits. Mr. Kaseta Goitom, the heading of vegetable and fruit production, indicates that in 2023 approximately 190 quintals of vegetables were produced through a dedication effort of vegetable farmers. He emphasized that the efforts will persist in 2024, aiming to further increase fruit production and supply the market with fair price. Additionally, Mr. Kaseta announced that a similar initiative will be undertaken to boost sweet potato production, with 193 farmers already benefiting from this program. He encouraged other farmers to seize the opportunity provided. Furthermore, Mr. Kaseta highlighted the success of sustainable awareness-raising activities, resulting in many farmers adopting organic fertilizers and pesticides in their agricultural practices. In Ansaba region, 2,200 farmers engaged in vegetable and fruit farming across 2,782 hectares of land. The National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in the Southern Red Sea region has organized comprehensive social service training program to youth across the region. The training covered various topics including psychological warfare, the National Charter of History of the Eritrean people, the importance of building organizational capacity, and political awareness. Mr. Razana Mikael, Secretary of Eritrean People's Front Democracy and Justice in the region, emphasized the significance of the raising awareness to achieve desired goals, highlighting the pivotal role of the political awareness in that regard. Mr. Osman Abdul Qadir, the head of the Union branch in the region, outlined the effort of the Union branch alongside its activities in schools to organize collective training programs in identified centers. The aim is to facilitate the exchange of experience among the youth participants. The viewers will be back with the international news shortly. Do stay tuned. Welcome back. 2 bomb explosions near the candidate office in Pakistani province of Balochistan killed at least 27 people and wounded dozens on the eve of the general election, officials said. The first blast killed 18 people, Pishin district north of the Quetta city. The second explosion left 9 people dead in Quilla, Safullah, about 150 kilometers to the east. Police are still trying to determine the cause of the 2 blasts. Resource-rich Balochistan, Pakistani largest and poorest province, has history of violence. It has seen a decade-long struggle for greater autonomy of various groups, some of them armed. No group has yet claimed responsibility for the attack in front of the Independent Candidates Party office in Pishin, a town about 100 kilometers southeast of Afghan border. The provincial authorities said 25 people were also wounded. Images on social media shows cars and motorbikes blown apart by the force of the explosion. Officials told BBC the candidate was meeting his voting agent at the time. On our last news, major companies across the globe have cut ties with the Israeli regime after the International Court of Justice ruling last month that said Israel's mass killing of the Palestinians in Gaza amount to genocide. Japanese Tochu, which ranks 96 in the Fortune Global 500 list of the world's largest companies, announced its aviation arm is ending its memo of understanding or formal agreement for the 2 parties to collaborate with, albeit the Israeli regime's largest military contractor. In similar move, Spain Foreign Minister José Manuel Albares declared on Tuesday that Madrid has suspended all arms exports to Israel since the start of the Israeli war in Gaza on October 7th. The top Spanish diplomat has cited two brutal Israeli regime forces has bombed United Nations facilities, schools and hospitals in besieged Gaza Strip. Albares has also pointed out that brutal Zionist force has already slaughtered more than 27,000 Palestinians in ceaseless attack, bombing and shelling of Gaza in the past 4 months. Dear viewers, we've come to the end of tonight's news. Let's have a quick recap of the headlines. International Day of Zero Tolerance of FGM observed. Efforts to ensure nutritious food in Ansaba region. 2 blasts killed 27 in Balochistan day before the vote. And major companies worldwide cut military ties with Israel after ICJ ruling the Gaza genocide. That is all our local and international news. Dear viewers, thanks for watching and have a good night.